Welcome to our school, the Math Hub Mathematics in Statu na Sandy, Mathematics in the Process of Invention. In today's lesson, we want to look at this particular question. Question yedu was taken from a June 2017 paper 1 ZIMSEC O-Level Mathematics. Question yedu inoti, it is given that P is equal to pi w squared bracket r minus w over 2. Make r the subject of the formula. So how do we do this? Taudzwa kuti P is equal to pi w squared r minus w over 2. So what we have to do here is to make r the subject of formula. How do we make r the subject of formula? Ngatitange ta remove my brackets. Saka patiri kuti P is equal to tikati pi w squared times r inenge iri pi w squared r, then tikati pi w squared times minus w over 2 inenge iri actually minus w over 2, which is multiplying pi w squared. Saka if we simplify any further, tiri P is equal to pi w squared r minus w times w squared into w cubed. Saka pana painobuda iri pi w cubed over 2 like that. So let us cross check our work. Pi w squared times r, pi w squared r. Pi w squared times minus w over 2 the minus pi w cubed over 2. But we want to make r the subject of formula. Kureva kuti tichaendesa tsano ava, this part kuside uku, yova p plus pi w cubed over 2. Yava from being a negative to being a positive. This is equal to what? Pi w squared r. Let us say we are going to multiply the right hand side, it times 1 over pi w squared. Why tiri times 1 over pi w squared? Kuitira kuti pi na pi zvichekane, w squared na w squared zvichekane, kungosara r times 1, which is r. But according to the principle of clearing the fractions, we are going to multiply every term inside the formula with 1 over pi w squared. Saka panapa to multiply na 1 over pi w squared. Kunoku we are also going to do the same to multiply na 1 over pi w squared, every term inside the formula. Kureva kuti r iri equal to pano tichati p over, saka it's 1 times p, that's p, then pi w squared times 1, that's pi w squared, to plus 1 times pi w cubed into pi w cubed, which is over 2 times pi w squared into 2 pi w squared. So that is going to be the value of r. Let us simplify it. Panapa there's nothing to simplify. Asi apo we know kuti pi chekana na pi w squared yopinda muna w cubed only ka w. Kureva kuti our eventual answer not r is equals to p over pi w squared plus kumsoro kwangu sara w over kokusasi kwa sara chi, kusasi kwa sara 2, like that. Mapaona. So this is going to be the answer if we are to make r the subject of formula. That is the answer if we are to make r the subject of formula. If we go to B, you have to find r in terms of pi when w is equals to 6 and p is equal to 72. What we are going to do is, since tato calculateswa kana kuti tatonzi tite make r subject of formula in A, we can actually take our answer from A, r is equals to p over pi w squared plus w over 2. Tatora that answer and it tite find r andika in terms of pi. Kuti in terms of pi hamani shamwari zvinoreva kuti our answer inofanirwa kunge ina pi mukati mayo. Saka we are not going to express pi as 22/7 kana kuti express pi as 3.14 and so on and so on. Kana tisitorina kupiwa kuti pi tomunyora sei, ngatisafarira kuchinja pi into any number. Kana question isina kutaura kuti pi munomunyora sei, retain pi as pi. Nyorai pi angori pi. Mapaona. Saka apo tiri kuti r is equal to what is p? P ndi 72 over panapa it's pi, then w ndian ndi 6, so it's 6 squared like this. That plus what is w? 6 again, so 6 over 2. Kureva kuti r in terms of pi ingechiti r is equal to 72 over 3 squared, that's 36. Panapa 36 pi andiri plus 2 into 2, 1 into 6 ndi 3. Kureva kuti r iri equal to 36 into 36 ndi 1, 36 into 72 ndi 2, because 36 plus 36 zvakafananawo nekuti 36 times 2 zvinenge zvichiti pa 72. Saka r is equal to 2 over pi plus 3, that is going to be our final answer. Answer yedu inofanirwa kunge ina pi as a part of it. Ndo part yakanyanyo kukosha. In our school, the Math Hub, Mathematics in Statu na Sendi, we have a policy. Tikasangana ne an error of principle by any student. Policy yedu inonzi pause effect. Kana kuti a pause principle. We pause everything we are doing. We correct an error of principle. Then we proceed. So one of our students, when I gave them this question to attempt, this was their solution. Saka chatruda kuita panapa manisha mwari, tuda kufollowa this solution, tuone kuti an error of principle yacho iri papi. Chekutanga, because answer yatapiwa ne this student haina pi mukati mayo, automatically it becomes wrong. That's why panapa ndanyora kuti your answer should have pi in it. So in terms of pi, make sure that pi is part of your answer. But later this student is actually wise, because we want to avoid a situation of an error carried forward. So my question is kuti your solution to part B is based on part A. Says zvataita pana about tatora zvataweka ku part A ndo zvatashandisa ku part B. They are dangerous pakuti kana waresha part A zvorova kuti uchatora mistake yawaita ku part A uchienda nayo ku part B. There's a principle pakumaka, a principle of fairness inonzi error carried forward. Inoita kuti usapunishwa more than once by an error yaunenge waita. But we want to avoid leniency yakadaro, because it might happen kana vanhu vakapasa sterek, which is a rarity, unogona kuchekerwa nekuti ZIMSEC or an examination board inenge ichida kuti ma results avo ave up to standard. So zvaita hama yangu iyi yatora p is equal to pi w squared r minus w over 2 like that. Ndobva yati toda kusubstituta p na w ipapo ipapo. Saka zvazoitwa hapa ndezvekuti p ndiani, and p ndi 72 is equal to pi inonyorwa sezvairi, w ndi 6, saka it's 6 squared, then apapa r yodzoka sezvairi minus w, that's 6 over 2. So let us simplify what needs to be simplified. Handi saka zvatanyora apapa ndo stage yasvikwa kai ishi. Murikuzona. Saka ngatite ma simplifications tuone. Saka apa tiri kuti 72 is equal to 6 squared, that's 36 pi. Andika? Then apo it's r minus 3. Correct? Stage yasvikwa apapa. Yasvikwa zvakanaka. Then let us do our manipulations kureva kuti 72 is equal to takuchiti 36 pi times r ndiani ndi 36 pi r takuremova mabrackets toti 36 pi times minus 3. What is 36 times 3? 6 to 18 carry 1 9 plus 1, so it's that. Apa inenge iri minus 108 pi ndiyo futi position yasvikwa nethe student panapa. Sada kuona kuti vazorasika papi. Saka zvadai so zvoreva kuti tichati since toda kusiya r ari kunoku tichati 72 plus 108 pi is equal to 36 pi r. Kuti r asari ega mistake yatika panapa. Samkatarisa this error of principle tambo shanda nayo patanga tichitoita. I think it is in this exercise. If you look at the playlist of questions on change of subject of formula, you're going to meet a video which we explain this error of principle yaitwa apapa. Nekuti panapa zvinenge zvakungoitika, what we are going to do is we are going to clear the fraction. What we are going to divide everything na 36 pi. Everything na 36 pi. Everything na 36 pi. Could divide everything na 36 pi kwakafanana nekumultiply everything na 1 over 36 pi. It's a technicality. If you understand it, thank you. If you don't worry. Saka 36 pi yachekwa apa peuchekwa. Kurot r iri equal to 36 into 36 ndi 1, 36 into 72 ndi 2. Then pi e inochekana ne e. 36 into 36 ndi 1, 36 into 108 ndi 3. Kurot r iri equal to 2 over pi plus 3. Mukatarisa maanza edu betunana ari kufanana. R is equals to 2 over pi plus 3. R is equals to 2 over pi plus 3. So that is how it is done, Amani Shamwari. If you have any issues, you can get to us through comments. If you want to talk to us, more importantly, if you want to join our school, the Math Hub Mathematics in Statuna Sandy, you can WhatsApp us on that particular number, +263 71 521 3310. But take note with +263 is the Zimbabwean code. Kureva kuti if you are in Zimbabwe, or rather if you are using a Zimbabwean line, it's easier. Kungoti 071 521 3310. Thank you for your time and patience. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Mwani swara kanaka.